Hi friends, my name is Sandeep Gyani and I lead PCS Solutions. PCS Solutions as a company is a niche service provider which is basically focused at providing data mitigation paths to various organizations to mitigate their risk around cybersecurity. Now we are also into employee productivity tools to make sure that there is enough visibility for employees who are working from remote locations. As a company, we are headquartered out of Gurgaon and we also have an office in Delhi. See, we realize that work from home is going to continue for a long time, and we feel that it's going to continue post the Corona era also. Now, as a company, we trust majority of our resources, and that's how we should do. But it is important to have a simple yet a very strong tool to be able to have a monitoring policy for knowing what my employees have been doing and while they're working from home. So we have a software where we can help employees to identify what the employees have been doing and what is the risk that they are going through and how to enhance their productivity. So the software that we are talking about, uh, the job of that software is to enhance the productivity. So basically, what is going to happen is that the software is going to remotely monitor the applications on a consistent basis which the users have been accessing throughout the day. How much time the user has accessed Outlook, how much time the user has accessed YouTube, how much time the user has accessed certain office applications. It goes down to every URL, every application on a time to time basis, and we can do a complete video recording and we can play back on a single dashboard. So the software will basically help you to track the user timing, mark his attendance, identify, his leaves, identify what kind of email activity that the user is doing, what kind of content is the user taking through. All of that is important in today's world. While we are spending a lot of money in paying a huge amount of cost per employee, it's extremely important to know, whether my user is doing the desired results, bringing the desired results, and is there a sincere effort in his activity or no. So with this tool, you're also able to identify the user intent. So when I say user intent is, you basically will also know how actively he's wanting to. Is he a disgruntled employee? Is he really, active to pursue his career with you? Is he really, not leaking across any information to competition? So all of that, and this tool can do, and this tool can do it smartly. So there is no need for you to constantly monitor. So you can create thresholds, and while you create thresholds, this tool can completely work in an automated tool. This tool does not need any agent visibility to the user. This goes silently within the process, and the user cannot kill that process or remove this application from the PC. Last but not the least, the user, whatever keys that the user is punching throughout the day, so the entire key logging is also being able to track. So, it's a completely customizable tool. You can track anything right from, user recording to keys to just the images, basis what, the user is trying to do or is doing it during the day. So it's a very interesting tool, very important, quite useful, especially in today's time where most of us are working from home. So feel free to call us or mail us or reply to this, and we'll have a demo ready for you, and we can basically showcase the capability of what this tool brings in and how this is basically going to help you in the organization. Thank you so much for showing interest. God bless you guys. Thank you.